2nd October, which is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Father of Nation, was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of the Nation. We also call him Bapu. We celebrate this day every year to pay tribute to him who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapon, non-violence. This day is also celebrated as International Non-Violence Day. This day is celebrated to remember Gandhi's principles of peace and non-violence. He was a devotee of truth and non-violence, Satya or Ahimsa ka pujari. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat, Delhi, and our Prime Minister, along with the President of India, gather here to pay the tribute by offering flowers to his Samadhi. Thank you.
Every year on 2nd October all over India, it is the birth anniversary of the father of nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was a preacher of non-violence. Hence, his birth anniversary 2nd October is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence.
Mahatma Gandhi was also known as the father of the nation and Bapu. He was a great leader, politician and a freedom fighter who devoted his entire life to the nation. He gave the lesson of truth and non-violence to the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1969 in Porbandar in Gujarat. He is father of our nation. His wife's name was Kasturba. Mahatma Gandhi magazine was Truth is God and God is Truth. He was a simple person. He wears simple clothes. He waved his clothes on spinning wheel.
Non-violence. His non-violence and satyagraha were the means through which he attained independence without shedding a single drop of blood. He was a staunch believer of truth and initiated the concept of 3H in the overall development of an individual. His vision and desire he had for India were paid off by his relentless struggle and faith. His optimistic outlook towards life had set an example of every effort he exerted to free India. Many other historic personalities got inspiration from Bapu and led their freedom struggle effectively by following Bapu's principles and method.
He used to wear woven clothes, hand spun arned sarkha. He was a strict vegetarian and also undertook fast for the protest.
Indian people affectionately call him as Bapu. He started non-cooperation movement and Salt March. He is the founder of Indian National Congress. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
People lovingly called him Bapu. His wife's name is Kasturba Gandhi and they had 4 sons. Gandhiji had studied law from the University of London. He returned India as a barrister and took part in the struggle for freedom.
Today is the anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was the great freedom fighter of India.
At national level, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year at Rajghat or Gandhi Ji Samadhi at New Delhi. Many people and our great leader, including the Rashtrapati and the Prime Minister, pay homage to this great leader of the nation. They place wreath at the Samadhi and offering of flower. All religions' prayer is held at Samadhi in the morning
Chakra competition is held and Ram Dhoon is sung.
He was also known as Father of Nation. Gandhiji is a great freedom fighter because he was fight against the British to help our country to be in peace.
Mahatma Gandhi was also known as the father of nation. We also called him Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. At the age of 30, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was married to Kasturba Bai. In 1920, Gandhi became a member of Indian National Congress. Friday is most important day in Gandhi's life because India got independence on Friday and also Gandhi born on Friday. He died on 30 January 1948 at Delhi.
Our third important national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. His birthday is celebrated as national festival all over the country. He led our nation in the fight for the freedom. Truth and non-violence were the only tools to fight against the British.
Mahatma Gandhi was great leader of our India. He is also known as Father of Nation and Bapuji. Bapuji believed in simple living and high thinking. His father Karamchand Gandhi was a chief minister of Porbandar. Gandhiji was the greatest freedom fighter and also known as Father of the Nation or Rashtrapita. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. He was born 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father name was Mohandas and Chandra Gandhi. He was strong leader of India. The father of a nation was born on October 2, 1869. Though he left us on 30 January 1948, the world still celebrates his birth anniversary on 2nd October every year. He was a great follower of peace and non-violence. Gandhiji is powerful leader of India. This great leader of our country died on 30 January 1940. Gandhiji helped India to get independence from British rule. Gandhiji believed in simple living and high thinking. Gandhi Jayanti, also known as International Day of Non-Violence.
In India, Mahatma Gandhi was food called Bapu and Gandhiji.
Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavana Sitaram 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 Bhaj Pyare Tu Sitaram Ishwar Allah Tere Naam Sabko Sanmati De Bhagwan Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pav Sitaram. Thank you.
His way of fighting was Satyagraha. Mahatma Gandhi was a man
of simple living and highest thinking. Mahatma Gandhi was thought be honest and truthful. Gandhi Jayanti is also known as International Day of Non-Violence.
Great and powerful leader of India. Mahatma Gandhi is also now as Bapu and father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest leader of his time, and the millions of the people used to respect and follow him. He completely changed his attire and wore a simple learn cloth, which he thought could let him connect to Indian poor people. He took an active part in the Indian independence.
World still celebrated birth anniversary on 2nd October every year has Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat, we also call him Father of Nation. Celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is a birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi ji is also known as Bapu and Father of the Nation. He is a great follower of peace and non-violence. He started many important movements like civil rights movements, Dandi March, Quit India movements, etc. Satyagraha was one of a famous movement. Quit India movement, Swadeshi movement are two other famous important movement. त्यांच्या आईचे नाव पुतळीबाई होते. महात्मा गांधी हे भारत देशाच्या स्वतंत्र संग्रामातील प्रमुख नेते आणि तज्ञ होते. महात्मा गांधी यांनी अहिंसात्मक सहकार आंदोलनाने भारताला स्वातंत्र्य मिळवून दिले. He is also known as Father of Nation. Gandhi's real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He later became famous as Mahatma Gandhi, and today we call him the Father of Nation, means Rashtrapita and Bapu.
October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
He led freedom movement. He loved truth and ahimsa. He was shot dead on 30th January 1948. India can never forget him. He is born on 2nd October 1869. His father name
Karamchand Gandhi. Thus, Karamchandra Gandhiji, also known as father of nation. 1887 मध्ये मॅट्रिकची परीक्षा पूर्ण झाली. 1888 मध्ये बॅरिस्टरची परीक्षा देण्यासाठी इंग्लंडला गेले. 3 वर्ष अभ्यासक्रम पूर्ण करून बॅरिस्टर झाले.
He is also known as father of nation. Gandhi Jayanti, birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi was great and powerful leader of India. Gandhi Jayanti is the non-violent day in India.
Gandhi is also known as Bapu